Still no spell check in the all-new Adobe Captivate? I'll show you where you can find it. I'm Paul Wilson, and I make videos about e-learning, specifically the authoring tool Adobe Captivate. Obviously, you're into Adobe Captivate, otherwise you wouldn't be here. So my advice, if you want to see updates of whenever I put something out about Adobe Captivate, please subscribe and set up notifications for my YouTube channel. And that way you'll be on the inside track with everything Adobe Captivate. Anyway, so in this video here today, we're going to take a look at a feature that's new in Adobe Captivate. And while it doesn't address the issue of the fact that there's no spell check or no grammar check built into Adobe Captivate, you can kind of use this feature for that purpose. Let me show you. In this project here, this is just one of the quick start projects. I've purposely put some spelling and grammatical errors into this little text component here. Let's select that right there. Normally in a tool such as Adobe Captivate, you would see a squiggly red underline under anything that was spelled incorrectly or there were just simply typos there. But of course, now with the new generative AI features, you can actually access the ability to check your spelling and grammar quite easily. All you need to do is click on Generative AI, select Generate Text, and then from here, improve grammar. You don't need to add any other text here. Simply press enter on your keyboard and the generative AI will do its work. It'll come up very quickly with an improved spelling and grammar for this particular item here. So if we take a quick look, welcome to Developing Emotional Intelligence, a comprehensive course designed, there's the spelling correction there, to help you develop, also another spelling correction there, essential personal and professional growth skills, emotional intelligence, and it kind of did some grammar work here, involves recognizing, understanding, and managing. There's another spell correct that was done there. One's emotions, and those also spelled correctly now of others. It is crucial in building strong relationships. Again, another spell correct there. I'm just comparing with what's on the screen here. Effective communication and leadership success. So all that's fantastic. If you're happy with that, it takes a bit of time. You know, you don't get a full document search here, but if you select all of your text components one by one, sort of as a last step before maybe you send it off for review, you can make sure that everything is written out correctly with proper spelling and of course, correct grammar.
If you thought this video was helpful, please like and share it with your colleagues. If you need help with Adobe Captivate, hire Paul for one-on-one instruction. Paul's goal is to focus on lessons based on your specific needs. Visit his website at captivateteacher.com. And don't forget to subscribe to his YouTube channel.